It's been only a few days since the Interior Department announced a bounty on the heads of Apollo Quiboloy and his 5 co-accused, and already authorities have made their first big arrest. Mon Gualvez with the story.
The PNP presented Pauline Canada to the media this morning. She is one of the co-accused with Pastor Apollo Quiboloy over charges of qualified human trafficking and sexual abuse. Canada, who is the 6th most wanted person in the Davao region, was arrested yesterday in one of her houses in Davao City. According to the PNP, the recent reshuffling of commanders and officers in the Davao City Police had nothing to do with the success of the operation. Instead, the police attributed the arrest to the release of Canada's wanted poster on top of the announcement of a 1 million peso reward for information on her whereabouts. Authorities said they received a tip on July 9 from an unknown caller. The informant was able to recognize Canada from the wanted poster.
We don't want to share yung intelligence po namin, but sinasabi lang namin nahuli po yan because of a tipster na nagbigay po sa atin because of reward. He used to be sa finance po doon ng KOJC. Yun po yung pagkaalam natin kay sa ating na-arresto po.
The PNP said they were able to arrest Canada in her home in Davao City, just 2 kilometers from the nearest police station. This short distance begs the question, why wasn't the PNP able to arrest Canada sooner? But the Davao Police was quick to defend the operation.
Hindi ko alam kung ano naging problema nila. So, ask them please. Pero I'm not in the position to actually answer that. I am very sure na walang ganon sa hanin ng kapulisyahan. I-1+1 nyo na lang. Bahala na kayo kung paano nyo i-1+1 yan. But the bottom line is, ito na, may pinapakita kami resulta sa inyo.
What's clear for the PNP is that the 10 million peso bounty for Quiboloy's arrest and the 1 million peso reward for each of Quiboloy's co-accused were a huge boost to their manhunt operations.
That's a fugitive dulo, kaya nga kaya nga nahihirapan, kaya nga sabi po ng ating secretary, it really helped yung nagbigay tayo ng reward kasi marami nagsusumbong. You know, it's mahirap maghirap pong hanapin ng taong talagang nagtatago.
Canada's lawyer meanwhile questioned the arrest.
We did not have access to Ma'am Pauline from the time that she was arrested at 1:40 up to 12 o'clock midnight. Hanggang sa kaninang umaga lang napapuntahan namin ang aming co-counsel. Ang nilabag lang nila is hindi nila binigyan ng access.
Aside from Pauline Canada, the PNP said they have been receiving information on the whereabouts of Quiboloy and 4 other co-accused who remain at large. These are Ingrid Canada, Crescente Canada, Jacqueline Roy, and Sylvia Semañez.
Lumiliit na ang Pilipinas para sa kanila. Lumiliit na ito. Ganyang gumalaw ang pulis, ang military. Saka na magtatago niyan, ang taong bayan pa. Pastor, alam ko naman na you have your reasons, no? Sinasabi mo, you're innocent. Just surrender. Ipresenta mo ito sa court of law.
For News 5, Mon Gualvez, we are One News.